First off, my CFMOTO 450 SS is still here. I'm not getting rid of this bike, guys. I bought it 3 years ago, brand new. It's been pretty awesome. No issues with it at all. Second off, my Papio SS got some new upgrades. I added a USB charger to the side of the bike. So I got USB-A and USB-C in there. Charge my phone or my camera if I need to, and it seals up nice so I don't have to worry about water getting in. It's a pretty simple upgrade. If you have a Papio like mine, you have a little plate right here you can pull off. When you pull that plate off, there's a wire inside. Pull the wire out, snap this on. So there's a plug for that. You just kind of plug it right in, and then you pop this right in place. There are no screws or bolts or anything. You just kind of pull it in and pop it on. Nice upgrade to have, cost 25 bucks if you want one for your bike. I did put an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Way back when I got my 450 SS, I also put one on here. So it's the same one for both bikes. The link will work for both of them. I use it more on the 450 than I do the Papio. Third off, check out these stealth mirrors I put on the Papio. If you watched my last video, I mentioned that I wasn't going to change my mirrors because I thought the factory looked good, and they do. But look at these stealth mirrors. They're pretty awesome. They flip up when you need to, so they work pretty good. They give pretty good visibility. These are just universal mirrors that bolt onto the handlebars, so if you have a handlebar like this with a section to put on a mirror, you can put these on. And I also got these on Amazon, so there's an Amazon link in the description if you want to get a set for your own bike. Pretty much they'll fit any bike that has handlebars. It will allow you to put mirrors up here. Got a lot planned for both bikes, so make sure you subscribe for more videos on the Papio SS and the CFMOTO 450 SS. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.